Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI A3 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and download an app called Repos for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it. And go into your Instagram, pick a photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots located at the top right corner. Select Share To and pick Repost app. Then go back to it. Select one of the options and tap on the photo that you want to download. Then click on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Then select Allow and go into your gallery. As you can see, my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!